First of all, we added this SVG panel in order to allow branding in your dashboards. It is quite simple to use. If you have the SVG definition handy, just go ahead and add the SVG definition here. And then you'll be able to see the logo or on your dashboard directly. I have few examples in What's New where I'll show after explaining this. And also on this SVG, you can apply thresholds. You can say my SVG, let me show and then talk, that would be better. And let me open this. We have put this SVG in others. So I'm opening the others thing here. If you see this, this is a simple panel which has the Broadcom logo on it. So it doesn't do anything else than just showing the logo. See, if I hover on it, nothing else is being shown. So it is just a logo. Let us open and see this. See, I have just given the SVG definition. Directly go get the SVG definition, paste it here, and you'll be able to see this logo. Nothing else needs to be done. Now, suppose I have this. Okay. Let us take the same user time in milliseconds. Okay. Now, if you see this here, there are two ways to use this SVG panel. If you have the direct SVG definition and if you want to use it just as a logo, get the entire SVG definition and paste it here as I have shown in the Broadcom logo. Or if you want to use some, so if you use the whole SVG, you do not have control on changing the colors and all. But in case if you want to use this logo, but on top of it, you want the value of this attribute and you want the color to be changed based on your thresholds and all, we would say just give your path definition here and then apply the thresholds here. My value is 1%, right? So suppose I go and make this 0. See, anything between below 0, give it a green. Anything between 0 to 80, make it an orange. And anything 80 and above, make it a red. So the threshold has applied and my value of 1 falls between green and orange. Sorry, 0 and 80. So it got the middle color. So this is how you can apply thresholding. And there is one more feature in this SVG panel where you can actually give the drill down. I'll show you that as well. See here. If you want that drill down, I'm just scrolling it down to here. You can either drill down to any of the external web links, or you can drill down to any of the dashboards that are already built. So just give this dashboard link, and when you click on this, because it is open in next tab, it goes ahead and opens the new dashboard in the other tab. So there are these three things in SVG panel. You can either directly use the SVG definition in order to do the branding, or you can just use the SVG path and apply thresholds for the color, and you can get the text from the metrics and display it on top of the SVG panel, and you can as well drill down using this SVG panel. And if you observe one thing, any examples that I pick, I'm just picking from the What's New and I'm showing you. So we have given lot of examples in it in order to use, so I'm just utilizing them in order to give this demo.